I'm scared. You're gonna lose your voice. You're gonna lose your voice, Mateo. Oh, see? Here, have some more egg. Here. Egg and all. For those of you, I'm just putting on a scared face behind the camera and he's laughing. Eat your food, Mateo. Mateo is almost 14 months old now. He'll be 14 months this Friday. And he's eating. Actually, it's breakfast because it's eggs. Egg that I'm giving him. Oh.